Now that we have discussed all the different connection services, let me help you determine which service best meets your hybrid connectivity needs. I started this lesson by introducing the 5 different ways to connect your infrastructure to GCP. I split these services into dedicated versus shared connections and layer 2 versus layer 3 connections. Another way to organize these services is by interconnect services and by peering services. Interconnect services provide direct access to RFC 1918 IP addresses in your VPC with an SLA. Peering services, in contrast, offer access to Google public IP addresses only without an SLA. Another way to choose the right service that meets your needs is with a flow diagram. Let me walk you through this diagram from the top, using the assumptions that you want to extend your infrastructure to the cloud. Ask yourself whether you need to extend your network for G Suite services, YouTube, or Google Cloud APIs. If you do, choose one of the peering services. If you can meet Google's direct peering requirements, choose direct peering. Otherwise, choose carrier peering. If you don't need to extend your network for G Suite services or Google Cloud APIs, but want to extend the reach of your network to GCP, you want to pick one of the interconnect services. If you cannot meet Google at one of its co-location facilities, choose Cloud VPN or Partner Interconnect. This choice will depend on your bandwidth and encryption requirements along with the purpose of the connection. Specifically, if you have modest bandwidth needs, will use the connection for short durations and trials, and require an encrypted channel, choose Cloud VPN. Otherwise, choose Partner Interconnect. If you can meet Google at one of its co-location facilities, you might jump to Dedicated Interconnect. However, if you cannot provide your own encryption mechanism for sensitive traffic, feel that a 10 Gbps connection is too big, or want access to multiple clouds, you will want to consider Cloud VPN or Partner Interconnect instead.